Hi everyone! This week you'll be making a PowerPoint in Onedrive. PowerPoint is one of those applications in Onedrive, and so this week you'll have an opportunity to practice using this wonderful app. Here are the things you need. You need to make a new PowerPoint in your student Onedrive account. Your PowerPoint will share information about yourself. You can talk about your name, your hobbies. For example, maybe it's sewing or playing soccer or doing yoga or making jewelry, your family, your hometown, or where you live now. Something that's important to you, like your health or your family or your job, your education, a memory that you want to share, food that you enjoy, or anything else you want to share. So here's an example. I decided to talk about something important to myself, my wellness. So I have some text and a picture. And then I do yoga. That's one of the things to stay healthy. And I have some text and an image. I also do acupuncture. That's with the needles. And then fire cupping. So each slide in this PowerPoint has some text and pictures. You can go down to see it there, or you can click here to see an example. Okay. Let's go back to the directions. So in this video, I want to show you how to do these things. How to make a new PowerPoint in your Onedrive account. Let's start with that first one. So first, go to your Onedrive, and I'm going to go to my folder for this class, NESL 984. I'll click to open it. Click New, and we're going to make a PowerPoint presentation. The second thing I want to show you is how to give your PowerPoint a name. This is important so that you can find it later. So you click here where it says Saved. Right now it's called Presentation, but we want to be more specific. I'm going to call it My Wellness so that I remember it's that slideshow about my health. I'm also going to put 2 because I already made one and this is my practice one to show you how to do it. And then I press Enter. So this is my file name. And you see if I go back to my Onedrive, I can find that slideshow right here. So that makes it really easy to find. Okay. The next thing I want to show you is how to insert slides. So for this assignment, you need to have at least 4 slides. Automatically, it starts with a title slide. So I'm going to give my slideshow a title. My family, my wellness, my hobbies, whatever, my favorite food, whatever the topic of your slideshow is, and it's good to put your name so we know who the author is. And then to insert another slide, you go to Insert, New Slide. And if you click on the little arrow, it gives you different choices. After the title slide, I like to use title and content, but there are other options. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add text to your PowerPoint. So basically you just click to add text. So here I might write yoga. And then I click here to add more text. Yoga is one of my favorite hobbies. It makes me feel relaxed and strong and flexible. So I have some text. That's how you just type, you click in the text box to add text. Now I want to explain how to add pictures and how to move pictures. So to add a picture, you're going to click on Insert, Pictures. You can choose from this device. So if you have a picture that from your phone that you can put on your computer, if you email it to yourself and download it, or maybe you have it saved to your computer. You can also insert a picture from Onedrive, from stock images that's in this application, or you can search the internet with Bing. So I'll click here and I'll write yoga. I like this picture, so I'll click on it and then I go down and I click Insert. And I can move this picture around. I click and move it. When you see the cross arrow, that means you can move it. If you click on the edge with the straight arrow, you can make it bigger or smaller. One powerful feature of PowerPoint is design, and that's my favorite thing. So if you click on Design and click on Designer, it gives you recommendations for how to style your slides. Like, I kind of like this one right here. And then if I click here, so it makes recommendations for how to make it look better. You can click on different ones to see what you like. Inserting text boxes, shapes, and icons. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want, you can always insert a text box. So you click Insert and then Text Box. And then here I can type. And I'm going to move it so I can see it. But that's how you can start entering text, okay? I already have a text box here, but that's how you add a new text box. And if it's too small, you can always make it bigger. And you can move it around and change the size. You can also insert shapes, for example, a star or flow charts, stars and banners, speech bubbles. You can also insert icons depending on the topic. Like I'll search yoga, let's say. And so this allows me to add these. Oops, they're together. Let me just insert one. I'll type yoga in the search box. and click Insert. And I'll add that for design. And then it gives me some suggestions for the designer. I really like this one right here. Okay. The last thing I want to explain is how to change the font style, size, and color. If I highlight the text, this toolbar will come up, which allows me to change the color. You have standard colors here, or you can click more colors and choose a specific color. I like pink, so I can highlight it again and then click here to make it bigger or smaller. I can also change the font style. There's so many different font styles to choose from. You could also highlight, use bold. So there's lots of different things you can do here. This one makes it bigger. This one can click to make it smaller. Okay. I hope you enjoy practicing using PowerPoint, and I look forward to seeing them. Bye.